Hi Barack.
Hello Bob.
How are you today?
Not bad, not bad. What about you?
Well, actually my son dies yesterday.
Oh.
I'm just playing with you, lol.
Ha 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 ha. You crack me up, seriously Bob.
Haha, you don't.
What?
I said you don't crack me up. That means you're not funny.
Well then, if you feel like that, then maybe I should chuck you out of the country I own.
I live in England.
God damn it.
I have a better suggestion. Funny fight.
Okay then, rude or not rude?
Not rude.
Wait a second, there's a crowd.
You better believe it.
I am a bit too scared now.
Chicken buck chicken.
I am not a chicken.
So why won't you have a funny fight with me?
Okay, I will then.
Well then we begin. Knock.
Who's there?
Nicholas.
Nicholas who?
Nicholas, girls shouldn't climb trees.
Complete shit.
Go on then, you do better.
Okay, knock knock.
Who is there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
They're there, no need to cry.
And you say mine was shit, that's older than my great Aunt Susan.
Ha ha, very funny, your turn.
I'm quitting this game, it is complete crap. Let's say I win.
Good night and goodbye folks.